Hey guys, we're gonna make like chorus and talk about the tropical rainforest.
We got the sloth, the frog, and the chimpanzee. That's why it's the best biome, baby.
They are slimy, furry, and some scaly. They adapt to the environment on the daily.
We have breaking news. The tropical rainforest has won the award for the coolest biome for the 4th year in a row. This is mostly due to the high productivity and biodiversity of animals and plants. We have new information. The subtropical desert ranks last due to its dry, nasty, hot, sandy, crummy, ugly, no life living biome.
Wiki! Our biome is wet, warm, and can sustain a lot of life. People say that just like my girlfriend's loofah.
It's found in Brazil, Peru, and the Congo. Now let's sit and play the bongos.
Break it down!
Tropical Rainforest! Rainforest! Tropical Rainforest! Tropical Rainforest! Tropical Rainforest! Tropical Rainforest!
Wiki!
We have broad-leaf evergreen trees, ferns, orchids, bromeliads, large-woody trees.
Sorry. Sometimes he just gets carried away. Wiki!
This is my last rap. Don't fall for their trap, because the tropical rainforest is where it's at.
We have more breaking news about the biomes. The tundra has been expelling high amounts of methane. Yeah, that's gonna kill us. And as we said before, the tropical rainforest is still kicking butt.
Wiki! Y'all try and make fun of all of our posters. I mean, like, that's kind of a weird flex, but okay. Break it down!
Tropical Rainforest!